Ever wondered how to make healthy meals without spending hours in the kitchen? The answer lies in the art of meal prep. Picture this, arriving home from a hard day's work to a tasty, nutritious meal all ready to enjoy. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's entirely achievable with a sprinkle of planning and a dash of creativity. In the realm of meal prep aimed at weight loss, the spotlight is on nutrient-rich foods that keep you full and energized all day. The magic formula? A mix of whole foods like lean proteins, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. The result? Delicious, wholesome meals that support your weight loss journey. Here are some simple yet scrumptious meal prep ideas for you to try. First up, quinoa salad with grilled chicken and roasted vegetables. Start by cooking a batch of quinoa, then divide it into individual containers. Add grilled chicken and a rainbow of roasted bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. Finish with a drizzle of homemade lemon vinaigrette for that zesty kick. Next is the turkey and sweet potato chili. Sauté ground turkey with onions, garlic, and spices. Throw in diced sweet potatoes, black beans, and diced tomatoes. Let it all simmer together for a comforting hearty chili that's perfect for prepping ahead. Third, we have the mason jar Greek salad. In a mason jar, layer cucumber, cherry tomatoes, olives, feta cheese, and mixed greens. Top it off with homemade tzatziki dressing and give it a good shake for a refreshing, on-the-go salad. Fourth, the baked salmon with asparagus and quinoa. Marinate salmon fillets with lemon juice, garlic, and herbs, then bake until flaky. Serve with roasted asparagus and a side of quinoa for a meal that's as nutritious as it is satisfying. Finally, the veggie stir-fry with brown rice. Sauté bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, and tofu in a savory stir-fry sauce. Pair it with brown rice for a vibrant, veggie-packed meal that's sure to please. Meal prepping can be your secret weapon in the battle for better health. It saves you time, money, and stress, while keeping you on track with your weight loss goals. These tasty recipes are just the beginning. Feel free to tweak them to fit your own tastes and dietary needs. Healthy meal prep is an investment in your overall health and wellness. By making mindful choices and prioritizing nourishing foods, you're taking control of your health and creating a sustainable lifestyle that supports your well-being. So why not take the leap and start your meal prep journey today? These inspired, easy-to-follow meal prep ideas are waiting for you to try. Your body will be grateful. Remember, when it comes to health goals, consistency is key. Embrace meal prep as a habit and watch as your body transforms from the inside out. Here's to your health, happiness, and delicious meals in your future. Thank you for watching our video on meal prep magic for weight loss. We appreciate your time and hope you found our tips and ideas helpful. Remember, health is an ongoing journey and we're here to support you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment about your favorite meal prep ideas, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Until next time, keep prepping, keep eating well, and embrace the transformation. See you in the next video.